Hello, and thank you for joining me on my visual journey into the ear. The ear has always been an object of fascination. The Egyptians believed that the breath of life passes by the left ear, and the breath of death passes the right. The Chinese were fascinated as well by this early drawing depicting the ear and its parts. People such as this guy, Andreas Berzelius, in 1514, the greatest anatomist of his time, he gave the first description of the malleus and the incus, two of the three bones in the middle ear. And this 16th century Italian anatomist, Bartholomew Eustachio, who first fully described this tube that connects the throat and the ear and its function. Scientists today are still trying to clone the human ear as seen here growing on this mouse. There is much to know about the ear. Let's start by describing its function. Sound waves travel into the air until they strike the eardrum. They make it vibrate, which in turn makes the three little bones vibrate. The last one, which is called the stapes or stirrup, pushes on the fluid in the inner ear. The inner ear contains tiny cells that are activated by the pressure changes of the fluid. And those cells start an electric current flowing to the main nerve channel that sends those electrical signals to the brain. And the brain then hears. It's also amazing that those three tiny bones in the ear, the malleus, incus, and stapes, are no bigger than a dime. It's important to take care of your ears and clean them whenever possible, and try to stay away from prolonged exposure to loud sounds. Also, ear infections, such as otitis media, as seen here. Hearing is slowly lost with age and abuse, and it's necessary to have them checked periodically by a doctor who will perform a test such as this to determine your hearing range. So take care of those ears, and see you in class.